Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you much for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get your specific person to fall in love with you in just one day. And you're probably thinking, how on earth is this going to happen? How am I going to get my specific person, my person of my dreams to fall in love with me? And I'm telling you right now, you have 100% the power to do this. So don't doubt this for a second. I'm going to show you your power, show you what you can do, and so you're literally within 24 hours from now, within a day from now, you can be experiencing the reality that you want with your specific person. It's going to be beautiful. Before we get started though, we're coming down to the final days to sign up for my 5 days to attract the love of your life course. Once again, this is a powerful 5-day course. It's going to give you everything you need in order to get your specific person to desire you with a burning passion. I'm going to give it to you all in this course. If you're interested, there's a link in the top of the description box down below. Click that to sign up. Spots are limited, and I'd love to see you in there. Okay, so a lot of people will hear this and say, well, manifest my specific person in a day. That just seems too much. I don't think that's possible. I don't think this can even happen. How can it happen that fast, 1 day's time? Like, Kyle, are you freaking serious? Well, here's the thing. According to Neville Goddard, creation is finished. And what that simply means is that if you think in this idea of parallel realities, there's already reality in which you are with your SP right now. There's already reality where you're not with your specific person. There's a reality where you're being friend zoned by your specific person. There's a reality where your specific person is going no contact on you. And there's a reality where you're with them. You are so madly in love with each other, and your relationship is perfect. We simply need to tune into that reality that we want. We simply need to start focusing on the reality that we want. We simply need to start claiming the reality that we want. And when we do that, that will start taking place. That will start really unfolding right in front of us as soon as we start claiming the reality that we want and put our full soul focus onto that reality. Okay, so let me read this quote from Neville Goddard, and this will probably make everything make a little more sense to you. Check this out. Because creation is finished, what you desire already exists. It is excluded from view because you can only see the contents of your own consciousness. It is the function of an assumption to call back the excluded view and restore full vision. It is not the world, but your assumptions that can change an assumption brings the invisible into sight. Okay, so simply put, Neville Goddard is saying we need to assume what we want is ours now in order to bring the invisible into the visible. The creation is finished. There's already reality where you are with your specific person right now. So let's bring that invisible reality into physical reality by assuming it is ours right now, by claiming it as ours now, by saying that's what I want, so I'm going to live it, and not having any doubts and not being, oh, well, I think I'll claim it, but I'm not really sure. You have to have full conviction in your power to be able to claim the reality that you want, to be able to come to the reality where your specific person is heads over heels madly in love with you. If you can claim that with conviction and with confidence, it will take less than a day for it all to transpire. So let me bring up one more quote from Neville Goddard, and he says, ask yourself what you want, and then give it to yourself. Do not question how it will come about. Just go your way, knowing the evidence of what you have done must appear, and it will. Okay, so that's what we've just been talking about, giving it to yourself. Don't worry about the 3D. Don't have doubts, be confident. Give that to yourself. Claim that new reality, and it's going to take place. The 3D might show you something different. You might claim it right now, but the 3D is still showing them ignoring you. Ignore that. Be delusional to that and put your sole focus and attention on the new reality that you claimed. Assume it. Assume, as Neville Goddard says, and that invisible reality will become visible. So 2 very powerful ways that can make this invisible reality become visible again is simply by putting our attention and focus on that. We don't have it already because our attention and focus is elsewhere, but we need to put our full attention and focus on this new reality. We need to do some self-talk. We need to talk to ourselves. We need to say, if I had this reality right now, if I was with my specific person right now, if they were crazy, head over heels, madly in love with me right now, what type of thoughts would you be thinking right now? What type of thoughts would be going through your head? Well, it'd be things like, man, I'm so lucky to have this person. Man, I'm so crazy in love with this person. Man, I love being with this person. I love being together. We have so much fun together. We go on so many fun journeys and vacations together. We do so many different things together. I can't wait to marry this person. These are the type of thoughts you should be having. You need to start playing around and start thinking these thoughts now, because this is your new reality. So close your eyes and play around with these thoughts. Enjoy the sensation of you guys being together now. It is so freaking powerful. And Neville talks about the power of going to sleep, the state akin to sleep, feeling your desires before you drift off in sleep. Because as soon as you go into sleep, as soon as you go to sleep, you're 100% in your subconscious mind. You're 100% in the creative mind while you're sleeping for the 8 hours a night or whatever that may be. So what you think about right before you go to bed carries with you throughout your sleep. You create it and you wake up and you start experiencing it. So before you go to sleep at night, this is very important. Right before you go to bed at night, close your eyes as if you're going to sleep and put a picture in your mind of you and your specific person. You could be walking in the park, you could be anywhere together, sitting on the couch together, out in a fancy restaurant together, but have that image in your mind and just say, thank you, thank you, thank you, it is finished, it is done, case closed, thank you. And feel really grateful that you're in a relationship right now, and that is the reality that you're going to be living. By claiming the reality that you want, by understanding it only comes down to your focus and your assumptions, we can change everything. The creation is finished. So we need to choose our route, choose our path by understanding that it's the thoughts we think and the emotions that we feel that draw in that new reality and that power of going to sleep. Feeling grateful for that new reality by doing all the things, and you're going to get your specific person fast. It can happen in less than a day. You have that power as long as you hone in and you're focused on that, and don't waver. Don't let the 3D convince you of anything. Be confident, be assertive, understand your power, and I'm telling you right now, you will get in your specific person in one day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you have any questions for me about law of attraction or manifestation, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what your SP is saying to you. I want to hear all about it. Reminder, I have a couple spots left open on my course, 5 days, Track and Love Your Life. So if you're interested in that, click the link down below. Also, I have those 2 free gifts, the Manifestation Cheat Sheet Guide. I highlight 34 of my favorite tips and tricks about manifestation, as well as an exclusive meditation audio on manifest your specific person that you will not find on my YouTube channel. They'll also be linked down below. And also, follow me on my social medias, my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Facebook, and subscribe to this channel. I sincerely appreciate it. And I'll see everyone next video. Bye!